You see, our good buddy Big Show had given us the best kind of intel you could ask for. He had trail camera pictures of 2 big gobblers in this field for the last 3 days.
I'll do it. This ain't our style of hunt. When you get information like this, that they've been here all week, and they're not gobbling, you come here, and you wait, and you wait, and you wait. Nerves be shot by dark. Long time in dark. Man, that other food plot, I bet. Think they in the other food plot. Yeah. We over sitting over here. What time is it? 4:30. Got to be getting, can't be. No. Got to be later. No. Feel like we've been sitting there 6 hours. Have I? Good. Probably heard it. He said they back again. There's one thing back. Huh? Feel like I got the TV remote. Like at home watching TV. Okay. Zoom in. Zoom out. Gives me something to do. Look, there he is, right there. Where? Right there in front of us, look. Where? I see. Kill him. Sure. Kill him. Got him. Thought I heard him strutting right there. I was fixing to tell you. Huh?
Where'd he come from?
I don't know, I looked over and there he stood.
Where'd he come from?
I can't believe it. I know.
He's got to be kidding.
By himself.
He came looking for that call.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, we just called. Go get him.
After sitting for almost 4 hours, turkey hunter almost couldn't even walk out there. His leg done went to sleep.
Soaking wet. How about that?
Look at that.
Huh?
Look.
He got some hooks on him. I ain't that big, 3-year-old.
3-year?
Yeah, I was sitting there. I thought, I was just fixing to say, I said, I think I heard a turkey strut. And about that time I looked back and I said, don't move, there he is. How come you couldn't see him?
I couldn't see him. It was a one small clump of grass, and I couldn't see him. He was standing behind it.
So when I was saying, there he is,
I could not see him. And then when he made a step to his right,
mm-hmm.
and then I could see him through the bushes, and he made another step, and he was in the wide opening.
I don't know where he came from. I think he came from there.
That's where I think he come from, right out of there. I don't think he come down the road.
Look.
And that's where you, and this is where you're supposed to be watching.
I've been looking right there for 4 hours.
4 hours, been watching right there. See, I had that side of the field, you had this side, and he came on your side, and I had to tell you.
Yeah. I mean, I think it falls off
By itself. By itself. Look at that. Here. He came looking for old yellow.
Never said a peep.
Let's see what time it is.
6:31.
6:31. We'd about give up on him. Big Joe come in here and pulled his cameras out from deer season the other day, sent us a picture, and he said they coming in there and during the day. And we got in here about 3 o'clock and sat down, called 4, 5, 6 times, and nothing. But he said they was gonna come here, and I told him, we're going there and we're gonna sit there today. And we normally don't do that, but we did it, and it paid off.
Big
Patience, that's what I always tell y'all, patience.
Yeah, Big Show had the intel.
Big Show gave us the intel, the most recent information, put us on him. So not only can he use those cameras to kill deer like they're going out of style, he can do it with the turkeys. He don't even have to be here, he just tells us y'all go sit there by that tree.
He's down there.
He's in Louisiana and put us in the right spot.
He don't even know it.
I'm gonna tell you one thing, that Big Show is a deer killing machine. I mean, he can kill them like they ain't no tomorrow. All over the country. He kills them from South Carolina to California to Florida. It don't matter where he's at, he can kill them. And he don't. And I guess he's got that knack with the turkeys. He don't even have to be in the same state.
Well, he's
put us by the tree.
He's supposed to come tomorrow, so
he's coming tomorrow.
So we'll show him how it's done.
Oh, he might show us how it's done.
No, I'm gonna show him.
You gonna show him?
I'm gonna show him.
You can tell him. Tell him he told you to get by that tree, but you sat by that tree.
I sat by that tree, right.
Right. Still got it.